What's up, guys? I hope you're having an amazing day. If you missed yesterday's video, you missed a lot because I got a brand new car. It's inside the garage. Let's go check it out. All right, what do we got in here? What do we got? That's right, guys. I got myself a 2020 Toyota Supra. That rear end just looks so mean. All right, let's take it for a drive. I love this thing. Wait a minute, I can't believe I forgot to do this yesterday. One of the most satisfying parts of buying a new car. Oh yeah. Woo! The BMW Backup Camera is actually pretty good. All right, actually, before we head out, I want your guys' help. Comment down below, what color should I wrap the Toyota Supra? Seriously, I want to take your guys' opinions into consideration for the entire build of this car. What color should we make it?
What's up, dude?
Ooh, you did it.
I did it.
Yeah.
I did it. Look at this thing.
Holy crap. Dude, I love this.
I know. I'm actually in love with it. Oh, well, you got to go inside. Come on.
Well, thank you. I appreciate
You got to take it for a
Thank you.
drive, too.
Can I?
Actually.
Really?
Yeah, are you kidding me?
No,
Hold on.
absolutely.
1 second.
Please.
Oh, that's the wrong keys.
Wrong key. Where's...
Well, you can have those, too, I guess. Here.
Honestly, I'd rather have the Supra than the E63. Maybe because it's new, smells new.
Yeah,
does it smell
it
like
does,
somebody's
it
been
smells.
farting in there?
Well, thanks to Armor All, it doesn't anymore.
Did you just put an ad on me?
I'm just kidding.
Cut that out.
All right.
All right, start
Let's
this bad boy up.
Clutch in.
Yep.
Oh, it's not a manual.
It will be soon, don't you? Wait, it what? And then there's a sport mode button right there.
Right there.
It's
Oh,
huge.
massive
Really
sport button.
begging you to push it.
You were so short.
No, I just...
Come on, man. I just sit really close to the steering wheel because it's a race car.
If the airbag goes off, you're dead.
Well, don't let the airbag go off. Just don't crash, buddy.
All right.
All right.
Have fun in Monaco.
See you
Bye.
later, man.
All right, well, I guess he wasn't kidding. He's taking off. So what he was saying is I am actually headed to Monaco in about 20 minutes. I am going with Bentley for the new flying Spur. I'm so excited. Monaco is one of my favorite places in the world. So we're about to hit a 12-hour flight to the craziest car culture in the world and drive a new Bentley. Hello, 65A. Well, 10 hours and 45 minutes later, and we have made it to Paris. Pretty crazy to think that I was here in this airport just 2 weeks ago with McLaren. Now we've got about an hour and a half flight to Nice, and then a 45-minute ride, and we show up in Monaco. Hello. Well, guys, we finally arrived in Nice, and check out what's behind me. 3 all-new Bentley Flying Spurs, the cars that I flew all the way out from Los Angeles to review. Let's take a ride to Monaco.
Wow, that is stunning.
Look at the interior of this thing, guys. That ambient lighting is gorgeous. Whew. Well, I can't think of a much better way to spend the next 45-minute commute than in the back of a Bentley Flying Spur. Now, the driving impressions are actually under embargo until October 15th, but I am allowed to talk about all the exterior, interior details, technology, and what it's actually like to ride in this car. By the way, these are some of the plushest headrests I've ever experienced in my life, but I thought on the way I'd talk about some of the rear seat entertainment features because they are actually insane. Check this out. So obviously in a car of this caliber, having rear seat entertainment is to be expected, as is having some sort of controls in the rear for the climate as well as the music. But the Bentley Flying Spur has something special. When I click this eject button here, the tablet actually rises out and you can remove it
and control it like your iPhone. And check out the functionality of this thing. So you can do anything from control the media to control the climate, the seats, as well as the blinds. We're gonna go to the blinds now. Look, you can open all of the blinds, let some sunlight in, that massive panoramic sunroof. You can even control the Flying Bee mascot from the rear of the car to conceal it or reveal it, depending upon your preference. And of course, you can control the ambient lighting. There are a bunch of different beautiful options for the ambient light colors, and it's actually bright enough to where you can see it during the daytime, which not a lot of cars do. The rear seats in the Flying Spur have nearly limitless controls and functions to them. Of course, you can recline the seats using these buttons here on the side of the car. It has massaging functionality, it has heated functionality, ventilation, but you can also control the seats using that super fancy touchpad as well. But what I like most about it is you can actually control the passenger seat in the front from the rear. Now, I have literally infinite legroom and headroom. If you're an NBA player, you can fit comfortably in this car. But in case you want a little bit extra room, you can go ahead and control the front seat. Go over, click that button here, click OK, and then we can push that front seat forward using the controls in the back. How cool is that? Check out the night vision display on the dash. That is way cool. Here we are approaching Monaco. Man, this is a beautiful place. The center armrest is actually pretty cool in the rear of the Flying Spur as well. Not only does it fold down and act as an armrest as well as a place to store your drinks, it also has a refrigerator in the back that you can choose between cold and extremely cold. Go ahead and open that up. You can store your champagne or whatever type of beverage you prefer, but it also can be used as a makeshift third seat in the center. It's a little bit tight, but check this out. It's actually got a fold-up, pop-up headrest for the third passenger. This has got to be one of the most spectacular places on planet Earth. Oh yeah, there's also Bentley Headphones. And speaking of audio, there's 3 different sound systems to choose from, one being Bang & Olufsen, and crazy enough, the top of the line sound system isn't B&O, it's actually Name. So the Name speaker system not only looks unbelievably cool, I mean, look at the detail in those speakers. There are 19 different speakers, and it produces 2,200 watts of power. 2,200 watts in a car. All right, now that we are outside of the Flying Spur, check this out. That is way cool. Oh boy, look who we got here. What's going on? How do we hug on a vlog?
Yes.
What's going on?
How's things, man?
Great to see you, man.
What are the chances of seeing you here?
We're in freaking Monaco right now. How freaking awesome is that?
As far as Saturdays go,
It's
distinctly above average.
Also, this is the fanciest Starbucks I've ever been to in my entire life. Look at this place, guys.
You?
Look at this.
Yeah.
It's an outdoor Starbucks with a view of the ocean and what? It's the Monaco
It's the Monaco
yacht show going on right
Yeah.
now.
Well,
So,
I mean, so it's.
Are we going or are we going?
We should definitely float on down.
Yeah,
for sure.
no one wants us on
No
our
one
boat. We
wants
should
us on
float
our
on
boat.
down.
Float on
The
down.
funds have already started
Yeah,
rolling.
for sure. I mean, I reckon we could definitely wangle our way onto a boat.
You can float and wangle.
Float and wangle, for sure.
Dude, it's good to see you. I haven't
too,
seen you
man.
in forever. I always love hanging out with this guy. We have so many laughs, so many things in common. Have you seen any nuts cars yet? I mean, Monaco's like the land of high-end exotic
our
cars.
hotel,
Yeah.
there's like a satin silver 488 Pista.
I saw that. That is badass.
Okay, and other than that, no. That's which is weird.
That's,
because
like,
normally
shocking.
there's like overly saturated with cars.
We might have to go car spotting.
Yeah, for sure. But I think
Yeah.
there's so much wealth in town. I mean, there is anyway in Monaco, but because of the yacht show,
Yeah,
it's like
they just
it's
don't care about
high
that.
concentration of coin. Is like
So that means
floated
better
in.
cars. Or
Better
they've
cars.
just skipped the cars entirely and gone to jets and
And they're
boats.
like, yeah, Enzo's cute, but look at my hyper yacht.
Look at my $400 million boat over here. Look at this. That is, I believe, the legendary tunnel where about 1 million YouTube videos have been filmed of straight piped cars.
That's exactly that place.
Oh, I want to see that later. All right, so I think me and James are going to take a little stroll and see what we can find. Let's hit it. The mix of architecture, fashion, jewelry, cars, buildings is absolutely crazy in Monaco. And check this out. Where else in the world can you literally be walking on a Formula One track? Oh, that is so cool. This is officially the slowest corner in all of Formula One. I've literally been here for all of 30 minutes, and this has to be the most spectacular place in the world. I love Monaco, dude. Are we moving or are we moving?
You want to go buy a £250,000 watch right now?
Yeah, let's just do that right
It is
now.
in the
Okay,
window right
perfect. Oh, there's 3 in the window. Just classic Monaco things. All right, let's check this out.
Dick Miles there.
Richard Mille with some diamonds. Wow. We got another one over here. Woo. Yeah, this is also the land of watches. For those of you who don't know, I'm a super big watch buff, but yeah, those ones are a little out of my price range. Some Hublots.
So it was like, you either want to, would you like a McLaren 720S or a watch, sir?
One of the best places for car spotting in Monaco is right in front of the casino. The cars that roll up to the valet here are absolutely crazy. Last time I was in Monaco, I think somebody valeted their LaFerrari. Now, there's nothing too wild right now, but we do have a beautiful 600 LT Spider. We got a DB11, a Aventador Roadster, and a Cullinan. And as James was talking about, look at the spec on this 488 Pista, matte gray with a yellow stripe. That looks so good. Love the bronze wheels too. Look at this, we got Seb Delaney on the other line on some crazy yacht. Dude, how are you doing?
I'm good. I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm gonna come see you in a bit, okay?
All right, perfect. Beautiful RS6.
Dude, look how ugly the hotel we're staying
I
at
know,
is.
it's
Can you
vile.
believe that building?
My eyes.
The size of some of these yachts is actually ridiculous. I bet that one is probably $200 to $300 million.
Like towards the back with the Navy hull and the helicopter.
Yeah, of course, yes.
He's misplaced his helicopter and put it on that building.
Yeah,
there.
there's another helicopter right there. What the?
Well, guys, it's time to head back to the hotel, have some dinner, watch a presentation on the new Flying Spur, and then tomorrow we're driving it for the very first time. I can't believe I am back in Monaco. We got JWW over there awkwardly in the background, just twiddling his thumbs. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, please press the channel and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video. Did you see that Pista? I think it was a Schmista. It's the same spec as his Ford GT.
Exactly the same color theme.